Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to solve a problem, which is the longest common substring. So if I talk about the problem, let me just describe the problem first with you, and after that we will try to solve it. So let's suppose we have a string known as ABC, and so if we see the common substring, which is the longest, we can say that yeah, ABC is the one which can be the longest one. But if I write ABCC, so in this case, the only substring which is of which is longest, that is ABC, not CC, because C is duplicating. So this question was asked by a company called Zebia. So let's for an SDET interview. So let's get started to solve this question. So let me first create a main method. Uh, okay, it is already created. Let me just write the string str. Let's suppose we are having ABCC for the first. Now we are going to use some sliding window protocol. So I will be creating an index which is will be starting from the zero index, and I will also have some max length. For now I will be taking it as 0, and also I will have some starting index, because sometimes it will ensure the starting index of the substring, which can be like after this. Sometimes there may be a string which is like this. So generally starting index does not mean that you have to start from 0th index. It can be from anywhere in the string. So we have to make use of three variables: start, start index, and max length. Okay. Now to solve this, we can use a hash map. Let me create a hash map first. Let me character. We can put integer for there. So basically we are creating hash map to find out the last value which was in the hash map. Like suppose our character is duplicating, so we need to find out where the A was occurred or where the C was occurred. Like we are finding the previous index of the duplicate characters. So for that we have created a map. Let me write a for loop. So I will be starting it from a variable known as end, and end should be you know uh, str.length and plus plus. So we have created a loop which will traverse through the string, and now the now we have to do the thing. So let's suppose if first the condition, if map dot contains, sorry, let me first grab the character. In the if condition, we also have to make sure that the condition we are checking it should come under the current sliding window protocol. So let's suppose our start. So what should we happen? Let's suppose if we get map dot get ch, and it should be greater than or equal to start. Then we can go inside this if loop, and we can put start is equal to map dot get ch plus 1. So if you see this loop, what is it doing? So let's suppose we have got a after this condition. Let's suppose a. So what it will do, it will start from here, new index, because a is already present in the map. So what it will do, it will skip the first a. So we are using the start variable to store the index. Okay. After that, if this condition, for every other condition we need to put our character and the index. Now we have to check if our end minus start plus 1 is greater than maxl, which will be true in the first case because our maxl is 0. So what we can do, we can say that max L is equal to end minus start plus 1, and start index should be the starting one which we have mentioned here. Now let's see if I system.out.println str dot substring method, we will use substring method for the same. We will use start index plus max L. Let me try whether it will work or not. Okay, so we have got our output. Let's see how it will behave for X, Y, Z, D. I think it should print from uh, C, X, Y, Z, D, maybe. Yeah, yeah. So our program is working correctly. So let me just rephrase the program once again. So here we have to first of all create a map, you know, for checking the last index of the duplicate character which was previously occurred in the map. After that, we need to have three variables, that is start index, and maxl. So start is used for your, but we can say it, it contains your sliding window. Okay, and the other one is your, it will store your substring where it stores substring index. And basically, in the if condition, we are checking whether our max length is equal to our end minus start plus 1. So guys, this was the question asked in Zevia, and yeah, that was the interview experience. Thank you guys for watching the video. See ya.